Good morning, Sales Executive Batch of 2023 October. Very warm welcome to all of you students who have thought about your career, who have thought of skill-oriented National Institute as the right place for you to be. I assure you, you are in the right hands and we will take care of you and we will be a part of this beautiful journey that you are going to go through in the next few weeks. They are going to be very, very powerful and rigorous training sessions. So I hope you are geared up. Isko halke mein mat lena, guys. We have to work a lot in the next few weeks. So some very important information before we get started. So this is the first week of your training. In the first week or the orientation week, we will take you through some acclimatization steps. Day one, we will take you through Sony Group PowerPoint presentation, where we will tell you about this wonderful 40-year-old Sony Group of hospitals. We will share with you how many units are there in our organization, what are the locations that we are running our different institutions, and how many people have been working with us, how many patients have been treated. All of this information we will be sharing with you. In addition to that, we'll talk about our founder, Shri CMD Saab, Shri B.R. Soni ji. We'll talk about all the promoters of the organization and their profiles, what they've done, what are their achievements, and how that means that you're in the right hands. Followed by the day 2 of the orientation week, which is the skill induction PPT. You're now part of Skill Oriented National Institute, which is one of the units in Sony Group. So we'll talk about how many years we've been operating, what are our core areas, where we have helped different students like yourself in developing their careers. After this, you will be visiting the Prerit office, which is an office which will look after your placement needs. Anything, any concerns, you can tell us when you visit the office. This would mean that you can tell your preferences of location, where you want to work, what are your dreams, what do you want to achieve, where do you want to reach in the next 5 years of your life, all of that. Day 4, we will be doing a headquarter visit. So Sony Group's headquarter is at JLN Mart, which is opposite Birla Mandir in Jaipur. So we will be making you visit and go through the different departments, and especially the administration in the headquarter, so that you know who to contact, when it is the time for you to, when you finished your training and when it is the time for you to register for various things. Then on day 5, we will do a chai pe charcha with your placement counselors. We will get comfortable with each other, where we'll ask your counselors to come and speak to you, to take a complete know-how of what you have done in the past, if you have if you have any experience so far, and then how we can best utilize that experience to get you your right job. Excuse me. Day 6 will be a special one-to-one discussion with your final interviewer. He will give you a go-ahead and he will tell us that now you're absolutely ready for your client interviews. So make yourself known to him, apni sari achhi baatein, all your good things, all your talents, all your skill sets, speak to him about that. If you want to improve in certain areas, also speak to him about that, so that we can work with you on increasing your efficiency.